see what I got. Pintar sent me a whole line of selection of their acrylic markers. What I have currently in my hands is a 16 count fine tip pastel. Let's try one up. You gotta twist that plastic off. As you can see, it is the fine nib. What I provided here was a chart of the paper that I use: white acrylic paper, black Stonehenge paper, and cardboard. And so far, this pastel has held up with the black and the cardboard. These are the 26 count mid-sized nibs. Let's open it up. As you can see, they're wrapped in plastic. Let's take one out. It has the yellow nib. Let's try it out on the white paper. Good. On the black, good. On the cardboard, excellent. 35 count on this one. This one has 35 assorted colors. Let's open the box up. As you can see the color chart on top of the markers. So let's pick one. So far, it's working well on the black. It's not absorbing through the black or the cardboard. These are the 12 count, 3 different types of nib for outline black. I chose the thin one, so it's working out pretty good. So all I have to say currently about these markers, that they're working phenomenal, and they work well on the paper. So I can't wait to do more artwork with these papers. Thank you again, Pintar, for sending them to me. Appreciate it.